Good morning. I'm Mrs. Spar, and I'm here on behalf of the art department.
Hi gang, Costello here.
Yeah, man. So, we want to talk to you today about the different art courses that you have to choose from. And hopefully you want to take an art class. Yeah. So you'll start out with Art Foundations 1 and Art Foundations 2. Both of these are semester-long classes, and that's where everybody starts. And you're welcome to take that in your freshman year, and you're welcome to take it, like a lot of times we have students that take it in their senior year when they, finally have room to take an art course, and maybe they're going to school for something else. So that's perfectly fine. And then, so after Art Foundations 1, what comes next is you actually have some choices. So if you feel like you enjoyed like clay in your art experience so far, you might want to take three-dimensional design, and you can take that as early as your sophomore year. That's a year-long course now, and it becomes a variety of materials then that you sculpt with. Okay, so that's three-dimensional design. You can also take Introduction to Drawing, which is a semester-long course, and you can take it, and then it usually is followed up by Introduction to Painting. And again, that's a semester course. So usually students that are interested in the arts will take that around their sophomore year. It's, not always that way. You could take it in your junior or your senior year, but, if you're kind of on trajectory, you would do that as early as your sophomore year. Okay, and then after that, in your third year in the arts, your options are, you can take two-dimensional design, which is basically taking drawing and painting to the next level. There's a ton of different materials, art processes, we do a bit of art history in there. It is an advanced course, but it's not as serious as AP, for example. And then the other classes that you have after you've taken Art Foundations 1 and 2, Intro to Drawing, Intro to Painting, and or three-dimensional design, is you can think about the AP classes. I suggest AP if you're thinking about an art career or an art program. Sometimes students take it too just because they want to challenge themselves and see how they do on the test. I have a student this year, that I think is going to be going to medical school, but she wanted to take it and kind of use it when she was applying to schools as an extra added kind of bonus of what she can also do. So everybody takes it for different reasons. And with AP, a lot of colleges will allow you to exempt out of their foundational courses, depending on how well you do on the AP test. With AP, you have the choice of AP Drawing, AP 3D, and AP 2D. The important part is, if you're interested in AP and you have the prerequisites, is to see me, because we'll set up a meeting. You'll write a short essay telling me why you want to be in AP, and we also kind of look at your artwork up until this point just to make sure that it's a good placement for you and that you're going to thrive and do well in that class. You can take that as early as your junior year, and most students take it junior and senior year. In the end, if you take it your junior and senior year, you end up having 48 artworks to show, which is awesome. So you could use that for your portfolio if you're applying to school, and students use it for a great number of reasons. So those are the art courses, and if you have any other questions, we will be at the lunches to answer those questions, and we'll have some students there to show their artwork and to answer your questions as well. So yay! Thanks so much. Hope you take an art course. Oh, I'm Mrs. Spar, room 13, and Miss Costello is room 15. Come visit us if you have questions, or see you at the lunches.